What's over? It's over. Everything's nothing.
Oh, everything. You'll know it now.
That is true. That is true. So, syempre, since sobrang masaya yung ating mga taga-Bacolod, masaya ang mga Bacolod na! Ano yung message natin sa ating mga kasinano or we call it Bacolod noon? So, syempre yun sa ating Taiwan Bacolod Festival.
Heart mo na, heart!
Well, very happy. Alam ko may sayawan na tayong magaganap tonight. Sino gusto magsayawan pa? Okay po magkaroon kami dito. Nice. Well, we're happy to be here tonight, especially happy to be celebrating the Bacolod Rum Festival. I'm excited to be back next year.
Okay, how about you, Jared?
To everyone, maraming salamat for always giving us this great energy. You guys are the best. Every year, I can't get ko pa rin ang energy here nagsasama sa akin. 5 years straight na ako dito. I love you guys. Maraming salamat.
Ayan! Marami pa kami gusto na salamatan if we may. Sige po, go ahead.
Of course, Derek and Julia right here, they'd like to thank special people who
Yes, of course, we'd like to thank the city of Bacolod, headed by Mayor Greg Casataya.
Vice Mayor Carlo Wendelia.
And of course, all the Bacolod city officials. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Yes, of course, including Pong Alvin Benitez, a partnership with Tanduay Distilleries.
Yes, my Tanduay family, thank you so much. 15 years na ako sa Tanduay.
I know, that's why you are gold.
15 years.
You are my goal in the 15 years.
Samahan mo.
Yes, sasamahan ka namin dyan. Pero siyempre, marami pa tayong masasalamanan bago tayo mag-enjoy the Lucian Group of Companies, Philippine Airlines,
Asia Brewery Inc., Philippine National Bank,
Victoria's Milling Co., Boating Metro Worldwide Communication, Team Access,
Team Assets, and Bacolod Concerts and Events. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
All right, once again, thank you so much, Derek, Julia. But I heard you mentioned earlier there's going to be dancing here on stage.
Yes,